You got this picture, then you got my muffin. Good afternoon! It's 7:14 in the afternoon, and Mariano came home from work early, and his parents are coming over. I'm debating on if I want to put these bottles away. I don't think I do. But I'm cooking dinner now. So I'm cooking that like chicken stuff that I made the last week sometime. And it came out good. Mariano said it was a little salty last time, so I'm going to remake it. See how it comes out. Can't go wrong with chicken. That's dinner.
Wildlife crime. If evidence points to an intentional double kill,
what are you doing?
The hunter could face jail.
I was about to twerk, but you walked in.
He tells his sergeant the second moose, a female,
right?
Several hundred yards away from the male.
Getting Julia ready for bed. His parents are coming over. I got my chicken. Gonna put flour, breadcrumbs, egg, and mozzarella cheese. And that's what we're doing.
Sneaky baby alert.
And when it bruises at the glare, takes the shot. It's illegal, unethical, and dangerous. Hi, baby.
Please don't get my daughters a JJ.
I'm not. How much milk does she have left?
Not much. Ounce? Is it an ounce?
Yeah. Ooh, you gonna say goodnight to everyone? Say goodnight.
Say goodnight, everyone.
8 o'clock, I'm going to bed.
About 20 minutes ago, about 2 gunshots.
You see those sleepy eyes. No smile, so you're sleepy. Say goodnight, Daddy. Good night. You're going to bed. Punch. Are you in a bedroom mood? You look happy now. You just were hungers. I gotta cut that tag off that sheep. Say good morning. Yeah, mommy's perfect princess. I'm getting so big. Come have some muffins.
Yeah, okay. So they can screw my teeth again? No thanks.
I made different ones.
No thank you.
I didn't know they screwed up your teeth.
No thank you.
They messed up your teeth?
No thank you.
I'm gonna have some muffins with Mommy. Mommy made muffins. Yeah. I know you're excited. At least someone likes Mommy's muffins. Well, I made muffins. I'm filming on the iPad, and this iPad sucks. Bless you! These are like caramel toasters, strudel, whatever they're called. Caramel, crap, you're gonna make me get the box. Cinnamon streusel. Muffin and quick bread mix. I don't know. Do they look like this picture? Ready? You got this picture, then you got my muffin. This picture, and then my muffin. Picture, muffin. Let me take it out and let's see. Okay, I was able to zoom in on the muffin I made. Look how good it looks. Just kidding, that's the box. This is the muffin I made. Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming. Mommy's here. No crying. Mommy had to put num-nums in the oven. Yeah, no crying. No crying. I don't know how he doesn't hear that at all. Okay, or that. Were you just lonely? She just missed Mommy. You just missed Mommy? Mommy put muffins in the oven. Mommy put muffins in the oven. Hey guys, so I'm not sure if I properly said good morning. Well, it's now good afternoon, but good afternoon, guys. I'm setting up a bath for Julia, and Julia's playing on her mat right now. She just woke up. She just took her 3-hour nap, so I'm gonna give her a bath. Sorry I didn't vlog yesterday, guys. I needed like a day off. Well, not a day off. I was just like tired, and I just wasn't feeling like vlogging, and I didn't want to like be like, oh, I'm doing this and Julia's doing this. So I did vlog like 2 minutes that I'm gonna attach to this vlog, but yeah. So my mom's coming over later today, so I kind of just like cleaned the house a little bit. It had to be done anyway. So the house is clean. Julia's gonna get a bath. I showered yesterday. Her room's cleaned. I just gotta vacuum, do a little more dishes. I was supposed to cook dessert, but I don't know what I'm gonna cook. Let me check on her bath. Hey. Spongy thing in the bathtub. I think we're just about done. Almost done. I noticed when I go back and rewatch my vlogs that I have really shaky hands. And it looks like the camera's like going like this the whole time. I'm going to try and hold it stiller from now on. But updates. Julia's 3 months old. I think she might be starting to teeth because she keeps biting her, like chewing on her fists, and she's not really drooling that much, but she just constantly wants to eat still. She doesn't immediately latch onto the bottle like she used to. She kind of chews on it a little bit, and I know that's another sign of teething. So I'm pretty sure she's teething. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Mariana's at work. Yeah, she wants to vlog too, that's why. She likes it when she likes to talk over me, that's it. We slept down here again last night. I don't think we're doing it again tonight because Mariana woke up super duper duper grumpy. He did not sleep good at all. I really don't know what I'm gonna bake. I don't know. I'm breaking out again. Don't know why. And I have this giant box of papers I have to go through, of mail and bills and everything. And finally I received the call from my advisor. Registration's been open for my school, so I really need to jump on registering so I have priority classes, which I probably won't by now. They're probably all taken up, and I'm going to be angry at myself because I'm not going to be able to get the schedule that I wanted, and everything's just going to be all messed up. I'm already stressed out about it. I don't have my papers. They're still at Mariana's house, so that stresses me out even more that I don't have everything here that I need. And I went to go sign on my college account yesterday, and I'm locked out. Well, not that I'm locked out, but they deleted me from the system because it shows that I'm not even in the system anymore. So I'm great, really? So I tried calling my school today, and it went to like some automated system that they don't even pick up the phone. You have to wait for them to call you back. So I left a message. They said they'd get back to me within 24 hours, so I hope that means like before they close. All I need is my password and username. It's gonna probably take 2 seconds. That's all I need, because obviously it's not the same password or username that I've had for the past 5 years, which is really annoying. But I'm trying to stay positive. I'm trying to look at the positives in this situation. There are no positives because I don't have my papers here with me. And because I don't have my papers, I can't pre-plan the classes I want. And I was like, okay, that's no big deal, but I can't log on to my college account either to plan the classes. So either way, I'm screwed. Woosa. Everything will be okay. Everything is going to turn out exactly how it's supposed to turn out. Right? Everything is gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be okay. And then tomorrow we have some kind of inspector coming here, so I want to make sure the house kind of stays clean. I'm just so stressed out. I thought being a stay-at-home mom was like supposed to be easy. It's not easy at all. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking too hard about it. Look how long my roots grew out, guys. Looks like I have an ombre now. Ignore this. Oh, look, all gone. Clear face. So that's the game plan. I'll take out with you guys in like a second. How are you feeling this morning? You feel good this morning? Stop that. No biting your hands. No. No, no, no. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Are you looking at the zebra? Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, baby. So close. So close to getting it. Yeah. Oh, get it, baby. Get it, stinky butt. Hi, baby. Julia. Are you up? I see you. Did you take a nappy nap? Julia. Hey, hey, over here. Julia. Julia. Over here. Hey, Julia. Baby. Baby, are you up? I see you. I see you. Oh, you're so refreshed. So refreshed. You want mommy come get you? Do you want mommy come get you? Oh, yeah. Say, I'm a happy baby. Okay, I'm coming. Good morning, guys. Say good morning. No lie, my cat just farted. Really loud. So, Julie woke up at 7. And we've just kind of been hanging out. She took a nap. And the minute I went to lay down to take a nap, who wakes up? Julie wakes up. So, no nappy nap for me. But I am so sorry, guys. I did not vlog the past 2 days. Because we've just been really tired lately. And Mariana's going to probably go to bed as soon as he gets home tonight. Because he has to wake up at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. And we've just been Busy parents. I've been trying to get school all settled out. The usual. So yeah. And Julia, I just want to hug you too hard. What is that face for? Huh? What's that face for? Oh, are you comfy? Are you comfy? Yeah? Yeah. You comfy. Are you talking? You want to say hi? Say hi! Ooh, let me get you. There you go. Say hi! Say hi, people. Say hi, YouTube friends. Say hi! But I think he's coming to like check the plumbing and the electric or something like that, and he needs to get into the basement. I've been emailing my advisor all day, and because this one course that I need to take is full, and I need to get into that course in order to graduate. So she told me to call this person like immediately, so I hurried up and I called that person, and they said that the course is full and the person doesn't take overloads because he's an adjunct, and that sometimes people drop out, but most of the time they don't drop out. So to just register for another course just in case, because I do need this course to graduate, and I might have to make some sacrifices, and to are you holding on to Mommy's jacket, hoodie? And to and to try to email him and see what he says. Worst thing he could say is no, so why not? And to just keep an eye on the course, because maybe someone will drop it, but in the meantime, just to register for the other course. Because it's the choice between botany and biochemistry, and it's not like I could be like, oh, I'm just going to replace these courses with something else, because I need both those courses in order to go to vet school. They're prerequisites. So I have no choice, and I have to take those courses. So I'm kind of screwed. Oh, Mommy's little girl. You got so much hair. Oh, so sleepy. So sleepy. So I know it looks like that we haven't moved, but we actually took a 4-hour nap. Hey, we took a long nap. I can't believe she slept for that long midday. Oh, okay, you don't want to be burped? No, burpy for you? Oh, no, you say, I'm a big girl. I don't need to be burped. But we took a really long nap, and I'm surprised she slept for that long. Right? Were you sleepy too? Mommy is real sleepy. I even woke up once in the middle of our nap, and she was still sleeping, like she wouldn't get up. So I woke up and I was awake, and I just went back to bed. I haven't felt like this in such a long time. I honestly forgot what it felt like to get sleep. I'm going to end this vlog, guys, but I didn't end it yesterday, so I am going to end it today. I have to start putting ends in every single vlog because I always forget to. So if I don't end it like the night before, I'm going to end it the morning of. Because I am now on the right track to where I'll be posting in the mornings. And the vlogs will be up in the mornings. And they are of what I did the day before. So the vlog you're going to see today is of yesterday. Well, the past few days when I didn't post a vlog. It was just little clips from each one. So, but they are of yesterday. The last clips of this vlog is of what I did yesterday. So a vlog that's going up tomorrow is of what I did today. And yeah, so I'm on the right track. I am all caught up. So I'm just going to end it because this is just going to lead right into today's vlog. Well, what you're going to see tomorrow. But remember to like this video, share it, and subscribe if you want to. see you mañana, guys. Bye.